So, it's week 11 of the Christmas challenge. This week, we are playing Jingle Bell Rock. Let's get to it. Welcome back to Guitar with me. This is the channel where I teach beginners how to play guitar the easy way. This is week 11 of the Christmas challenge. I don't have my Christmas t-shirt on, it's in the wash, so I've just got my navy blue jumper and my guitar and my beard looking more and more like Santa, some might say. Right, let's get to it. So this one is on the G and the D string. You want to start on fret 7, and that's going to be on the G. So it goes 7 to the 6 to the 4, back to the 6, back to the 4, and then we're going to do 4 on the D. So step over, back to the 4, back to the 6, back to the 4, back to the 4, 3, 2. Okay, so that's the first part. And then we're going to 4 again on the G. So we're going to go up to number 7, number 9, back to number 7, and slide down to number 3. And then back up to number 7, into number 9, do number 7, to 4, 7, to 4, to 6, to 7, 9, and end on 7. Practice challenge. Practice Jingle Bell Rock 5 times a day. Take it nice and slow with your fingers, and you just want to slide up gently using the strings and not overwork your fingers too much and get them sore. It's just one more week to go and we've got a big finish for this Christmas challenge. I want to thank you all for participating and watching these videos. I've had great fun doing them, but I must admit I'm glad that they'll be over, and then maybe I might just have a shave, maybe not. We'll see. If you have enjoyed, please do like and subscribe as always, and do please check out my school community. This is a fantastic place where beginners, like-minded individuals get together and they basically learn together. It is such a great space. I can't wait to see you there. And I'll see you next week for week 12. Take care.